everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you these Freak marbles that were sent to me from Brainstorm Toys. Freak marbles are character themed marbles with unique designs, special powers and interchangeable skins. So let's open up the first blind bag and see what's inside. Inside is this Grim Reaper looking character named Shadow. This Freak marble has the special power of paralysis. On each marble you'll find its health, defense and attack points. Also included is a collector's guide showing all 25 characters, and on the back is a list of all their special powers. Now let's open up the next one to see what's inside. Inside is another spooky looking Freak marble. This one's called Calaverita and its special power is luck. Now let's open up this mesh bag. It has 3 different Freak marbles and a collector's guide. This tough looking character is called Johnny the Bull and he has the special power of assault. This next Freak marble is super cute. Its name is Peapod and it has the special power of luck. The last Freak marble is this spooky and adorable ghost named Phantasma. This is a rare find and it has the special power of paralysis. And what's really cool about this one is that when you turn the lights off, it glows brightly in the dark. There are many ways to play with these marbles. You can battle them, mix up the characters, race them, send them through a marble run, and much more. So that's all for today's video. I had lots of fun trying out these Freak marbles. My favourite has to be Phantasma because of the glow in the dark effect. Let me know which Freak marble was your favourite, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!